na yun nito masuportahan ang mga mag-aaral at may power ang mga guro na mapunan ang learning losses na dulot ng COVID-19 pandemic. So, as we had experienced the 2 years na na-pandemic ang inyong mga anak, walang isunod o eskwelahan, nag-module lang na sa distance learning lang na hitabo. So, this is now the outcome, only ang outcome na only ang himong recovery program to cope up at mga bata na dili kayo naka-cope up sa mga scope sa learning. So, no struggling student left behind, only ang slogan sa DepEd. This was precisely what we wanted to achieve. So, only yun ang gusto na mahitabo. The National Learning Cup is one of the learning recovery initiative associated with the Matatag agenda to provide transformative, concrete, and focused reforms to further enhance the education system in the country. So,